Question 7. This one's a little bit harder and requires some judgment, and that's because of what's going on down here at the bottom. Now, I think there's just a hint here that we can see the next mark. Now, when we end up in this position, we're left trying to make a judgment on whether the turning of this section means we shouldn't see that yet and have just seen it a bit too soon, or whether we should take account of this. Now, in this particular case, you can see here that we're at the number 38. So there's not very far to go on this thimble scale until we get round to the 0. In fact, I think you can just about see the 0 poking its head over the top up there. So I think this section here, this vertical line on the sleeve scale, should only be visible when that 0's made it all the way round. So what we're going to say is the furthest one out we can see clearly is this one. Now, this is clearly a bit of a judgment call, and hopefully if we were using this micrometer in real life, we'd test a bit more carefully. I think the correct interpretation here is to say the sleeve, this mark is at 7 millimeters. And on the thimble, this is at 38, so 0.38 millimeters, giving us our total of 7.38 millimeters. If you looked at it and you said you thought it was 7.88 millimeters, then I don't think you've done too much wrong. I think it's about interpretation of this point here.